I'm gonna flip it. Hello. Look, I gotta tell you, Lisa just popped up my video of tea biscuits with cheddar and rosemary.
Delicious.
And they're Farmer Andy approved. I made the mistake of saying rosemary and cheddar, and he was like, "What's that?" Don't worry, it's just the flavoring, and he liked them. So now Lisa's cooking, so I'm going to turn the video around, the camera around.
Now I'm doing another batch, actually a half of the batch of Cowboy candy. It's a recipe I got from one of Drew's buddies at NC State. His mom does them. So Drew and Jesse are actually out picking peppers now, and I'm just getting the rind ready, which I halved the recipe. If you want to see the full recipe and full demonstration, you can go to the page and search in your search bar, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real Cowboy candy, and you'll see every time I've done something on them. So I'm going to bring this to, I just want to bring it to a boil because it had 6 cups of sugar. Let's see, 6 cups of sugar, 2 cups of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon turmeric, which I halved that, half teaspoon of celery seed, 3 teaspoons of granulated garlic, and 1 teaspoon of ground cayenne pepper. I halved the recipe. So I'm just going to get this going and bring it to a boil so that when the peppers come in, I can wash them and slice them and then dump them in here and finish the recipe. And my jars are in the dishwasher. I always put my jars through the dishwasher so I know they're clean. I have lots of jars in lots of different places in the house, so I'm down to my last set of jars. So anyway, Cowboy candy, and we're having lots of fun in the kitchen. I'm going to relax the body down as soon as this comes to a boil. I'm going to leave it here, and then I'm going to lay down for a little while, and then I'm going to come back in the kitchen and clean those jalapenos and start slicing, finish that up. Cheryl Steinbach, thank you so much for this recipe. My oldest son, Drew, loves them. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. We'll see y'all. Bye now.